It's good to start small because you can try many ideas. So and when you start small, it's like a side hustle. So you have your main job or maybe your main business, and then on the side you're working on something else. So when you do that, because you know you're supported financially by your main job, your main business, you can take chances on the side. So you can try many ideas, especially if you have many. In my case, I have many ideas, and it's always hard for me to choose. It's very difficult, like going to the dentist and having like a tooth removed. So when you are in that situation, your main job is supporting you. You can allow yourself to try many things and see what sticks, and see what works. And so you're not taking too much risk. You still have your main job with your main income. You're investing smaller amounts on what you want to try, and amounts you can afford to lose if things don't go the way you want them to go.